and we welcome you to the beachside village of Fingal in northern New South Wales. There's Cook Island in the distance off to your left, and Fingal Headland directly ahead in view, and there's the property there as circled. Unit 3 at 33 Queen Street. Fingal is available for rent. As we go down to street level, Queen Street is a quiet street and the unit for rent is at the rear of the building. This is a view of the rear of the building from the back lane. As we go up the staircase, we've got a small patio. We'll come back to that in a minute. So we step into the property, you step into a lounge area. Kitchen is modern. Off the kitchen area is a dining room. Another view of the lounge room looking back to that patio, which is behind those blinds. Main bedroom and second bedroom both have built-ins and both have ceiling fans. Main bathroom and laundry is combined in one room, but is of good size. And here's another view of the front patio to the unit. There's a big shady tree shades the property of an afternoon. It's a unique property. This is Unit 3 at 33 Queen Street, Fingal Head. There's another view of Fingal Head, and here's a view of the beach. It's just magnificent, Fingal Head. If you'd like to lease this property, then please call the leasing team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals on 0266 745 888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au. For more photos and information, visit their website at salesandrentals.com.au. Are you thinking of moving to Kingscliff? Then a great resource for information about our town is the Kingscliff app. The Kingscliff app is a directory of Kingscliff and has been produced by the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals as a local business and community initiative. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be able to check out all that's offering Kingscliff, including dining, shopping, schools, removalists, services and events. Download the Kingscliff app free today in iTunes or Google Play, or by scanning the QR codes on your screen will lead you directly to the Kingscliff app.